Welcome to Code with Me, a web development learning series where we embark on a coding journey together. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your coding adventure or an experienced developer seeking new insights, this channel is designed for you. Code with Me caters to both beginners and experts in web development. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your skills, you'll find valuable content here. Expect a mix of project walkthroughs, coding tips, and real-world challenges. We'll explore various aspects of web development, making it a comprehensive learning experience. Subscribing to Code with Me means staying updated on the latest web development trends, gaining practical insights, and being part of a supportive coding community. This channel encourages interaction. Feel free to ask questions, share your thoughts, and suggest topics. Projects will vary in complexity, ensuring there's something for everyone. Beginners can start with foundational concepts, while experts can dive into more advanced topics. Yes, challenges are part of the learning process. I'll share common hurdles, troubleshooting techniques, and effective problem-solving strategies. Join me on Code with Me for a collaborative and enjoyable web development learning experience. Subscribe, engage, and let's code together.